I'm thinking? I'm thinking it's time to learn our dance.
What should our dance be today? I wonder. I wish I know. Let's ask the Wonderwall to help us decide.
Yes! The Wonderwall likes to send us some clues so we can help decide what our dance is going to be for the day.
Would you like to help us guess? Okay, Wonderwall. What should our dance adventure be today?
Can you send us some clues?
That's strange. It's not working.
Oh, I know why. We forgot to use the magic word.
Oh yes, that's very silly of us. Do you know what the magic word is? I bet you do. Ready?
Please, Wonderwall! Oh look! The Wonderwall has sent us a basket. I wonder what's inside.
Let's see. Some carrots.
A fluffy white ball? Is that for our nose? No. Maybe we could use it for a hat.
No, it's not a hat. What could that be for? Maybe it's to go with these.
Oh look! What's this? It's a bunny!
Isn't it cute?
Boys and girls, if you had a pet bunny, what would you call it?
If I had a pet bunny, I'd name it Snuffles.
This bunny's name is Marshmallow. Well, I guess we know what our dance is going to be for today.
A bunny dance!
At Little Dancers Life, we love to go on dancing adventures. Here, we look at the steps that we learnt for our dance. This is called a rehearsal. A rehearsal lets us practice and get ready for our performance with the music. You can do this as many times as you like. Okay, it's time to learn our dance. So let's be a bunny.
Can you think what a bunny might do? Let's see, a bunny would definitely bounce and wiggle its tail.
Oh, I love how bunnies twitch their noses.
Can you twitch your nose too?
Alright, I've got some ideas for our dance. Let's start with our feet together in parallel like we did for our sautés. So now, if we place our hands on our hips, we can get ready to do some bunny paws. Just like this. Pull 1 and 2. Now we'll do 4 heads. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's twitch our nose. Now shoulders up and down, up and down.
Oh, I like that. Let's see if I remember. Pull 1 and 2, 4 heads. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pitch your nose, shoulders up and down, up and down. Now we'll learn the next part. It's a little bit different. Pull 1 and 2, 4 heads. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pitch your nose. Now this time we're going to wriggle our tail.
Okay, now we can take a step to the side and bend our knees. Now to the other side. That's it. Let's do 3 jumps using our sautés and 2 claps. And now again. Step to the side and bend our knees. Step to the side and bend our knees. 3 jumps and 2 claps.
Now it's time for the bunnies to have an adventure around the garden. So we kick our bottoms 4 times, then do 3 jumps. Here we go, ready? Kick. 1, 2, 3, 4, and bounce, bounce, bounce. Kick. 1, 2, 3, 4, and bounce, bounce, bounce.
We're nearly finished. We use our tippy toes and turn to the side. And tippy toes and turn to the side. All the way around. Step and big jump. That's it. That's our bunny dance. Shall we try it now with the music?
Let's ask the Wonderwall if it would like to join us.
Good idea. Wonderwall, would you like to join in with our bunny dance? Great! Boys and girls, make sure you have lots of space to dance. All right, let's begin. dancing, everyone. You were great bunnies.
How did it go? Did you have fun? Aren't bunnies great?
Remember, you can go back and do this dance with us as many times as you would like to. And you can even show your family what beautiful dance you've learnt today. I'm sure they'd love to see your bunny dance. Oh, and don't forget to check out the 5 fun facts about bunnies.
Remember, you can go back and do this class with us at any time. Bye for now and see you soon.